I've got something here to show you, and it's not a yarn basket either. Let me get this project out of here so I can show you exactly what this is. This is called a Strucket. The Strucket is a revolutionary cleaning system where the strainer meets the bucket. This is Australian designed and made, BPA free and fully recyclable too. It can be used for many applications, but it's particularly good for our knitting and crochet items that need some special care. It has some amazing features like this interlocking strainer that prevents people who have sensitive skin from having to touch the wastewater. The Strucket saves lots of bending and lifting because it can be sat at bench height. And then when it's time to empty it, all you do is pull out this built-in tap. I'm now going to show you how I used it when I was rinsing my hand-dyed yarn. You can see that this mini Strucket is the perfect size for our crochet or knitted wares because they really do need that little bit of extra special care. So pop on over to the Strucket website so that you can choose which one of the Strucket family is more suited to you. Its amazing design features are this interlocking basket which prevents those who have sensitive skin from having to touch the wastewater. It has some amazing features like this interlocking